So today we will study about the aquatic mammal. The mammal which are found in water. The water may be fresh and marine are called as aquatic mammals. The aquatic mammals are divided into two categories, amphibious mammal and aquatic mammals. So firstly we will see the amphibious mammal. These animals do not live permanently in water. They live on land but go in water for food and shelter, and they show only partial aquatic adaptations such as small external nails, webbed feet, flattened tail, subcutaneous fat. The example of amphibious mammals are walrus, seals, sea lion, minks, otter, beavers, hippopotamus, chironectus, and ornithorhynchus, etc. So these are the some features of the amphibious mammals. Now we'll see about the aquatic mammal. These aquatic mammals live permanently in water. Example order cetacean, whales, dolphin and porpoise. Order sirene, manatees and dugongs. The national aquatic animals of India is Ganga's dolphin. There are two order of aquatic mammal. First, cetaceans and sirenia. Cetaceans means cetus means whale. It include large marine fish like mammals, well adapted for aquatic life. The hairs on skin are reduced to few bristles on the muzzles. Streamlined body tapers toward long fish-like tails. Pectoral limb are modified into broad paddle-like flipper. Tail is divided into two broad horizontal fleshy flukes with a notch used in propulsion. Mammary glands are well developed and external ears and claws are absent. Now, skull bones are spongy and contains oil. Sperm whale, killer whale, Ganga's dolphin, India's national aquatic animal, common dolphin, blue whale, fin whale and right whale. So firstly we will see the sperm whale. This is the structure of the sperm whale. You can see the structure like tail flukes, paddle like forelimb, large head and homodont teeth. It is common in warmer sea. It is the largest toothed whale, male up to 25 meters long. There is no dorsal fin. The head is banner shaped and filled with spermacetic oil. It is not edible oil but is used in industry as a lubricant in making candle and as a base of cosmetics. A peculiar stone-like substance called amber is formed in its stomach and is used in perfumes. Lower jaw is smaller than upper jaw, you can see, and bear numerous functions. Homodont conical teeth. It feeds mostly on squids, and when it comes to surface it expires forcible through a single nostril. Next, the blue whale, Balacnoptera. The blue whale may grow. You can see in the diagram they have the small head and whalebone plates. The whale may grow up to 35 meters and weight 150 tons. It is the longest whale and the largest animal that ever lived. It is with a small head. It feeds on microscopic animal or plankton. Next is the dolphin. You can see the common dolphin and the Ganga's dolphin. Okay, the dolphin are found in fresh and marine water. All freshwater dolphins have long birds-like beaks containing up to 200 teeth in both jaw. It lives in river Ganga's Brahmaputra. The body of dolphin is 2 to 3 meters long, dark grey in color and with a small head. Sirenia, sea nymph. It includes large cheesy herbivorous aquatic mammals. Example sea cow, dugong and manatee. So this is the some picture of dolphin mantis. Okay. The forelimbs are modified into paddle. Hind limb are absent. Muzzle blunt. External ears are absent. Hairs are few. Tail with horizontal lateral fleshy flukes with or without a notch. Stomach complex having several chambers, and they inhabited the estuaries and the coastal sea.